Ladies and gentlemen, teachers, dear students, members of the media. Today I stand before you with immense gratitude and appreciation as we have just completed an important tsunami drill. And I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for your active participation. Tsunami drills is not just another routine exercise. This is about life and ensuring safety and well-being of our entire school community and our families. Your willingness to engage and your attentiveness and your cooperation have demonstrated your commitment to your safety and the safety of your fellow students and teachers. I also want to emphasize the significance of the key messages that we have learned today. Preparedness saves lives. In the event of a real tsunami or any other emergency, knowing what to do and where to go is paramount. The lessons we have practiced today can make all the difference in ensuring your safety. I'd like to extend a big level to the NDMO, the police, and other key government agencies and teachers who have guided us through this drill. Your dedication to the safety and education of our students is truly commendable. You played a vital role in imparting the knowledge, and today you have helped us acquire essential life-saving skills. Remember, the knowledge and skills gained from today's drill do not just stay within these school walls or within this perimeter. They extend to our homes and our communities. As students, you are taking a proactive step in building a safer future, not only for yourselves, but also for your families and neighbors. So, let us carry this awareness forward. Let us share what we have learned today, and let us encourage others to take safety seriously. Let us not only prepare for tsunamis, but also for other potential emergencies. Together we can create more resilient and secure environment for everyone. Before I conclude, I want to leave some key parting messages. Listen for warnings. Pay attention to tsunami warnings from authorities on the radio, TV, or through community alerts. If you hear a warning, take it seriously. Evacuation routes. Remember, know the evacuation routes in your area. These are paths that will take you to high ground away from the coast. Your teachers and parents can help you identify these routes. Stay away from the beach. If you're not near the coast, do not go down to the beach to watch tsunami. Tsunami can be very dangerous, and you should always move to high ground immediately. Practice the drill. During a tsunami drill, follow your teacher's instructions carefully. Walk calmly to the designated area. Stay informed. It is essential to stay informed about the situation during a real tsunami. Always follow the guidance of authorities and teachers. Remember, the most important thing is your safety. Tsunami can be powerful and destructive, but by practicing drills like this, we can be better prepared to protect ourselves and our loved ones. In conclusion, thank you for your participation, your attention, and your dedication to this important drill. You all contributing to a culture of preparedness, and your commitment to safety is commendable. Let us keep this momentum going. Let us stay safe and be vigilant, not just today, but always. Thank you, and may we all be well prepared for whatever the future may bring.